Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about if-else in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. In any programming language, conditional statement plays an important role in decision making. In Python also, we can use conditional statements in many ways, and those are if statement, if-else statement, elif statement, and nested if statement. Now let's try to understand each of them one by one. So first of all, let's start with if-else in Python. So first of all, let's see what exactly is the syntax of if-else statement. So this is the syntax of if-else. Now coming to each of the term one by one, then first of all we will give the keyword which is if, then the condition. From the condition, it means whatever condition we want to check. For example, if we want to check the age, then the condition would be let's say age greater than 18. Then that's the condition. So condition would be there. Then after a colon is there. Then in the next line we will give some space, and after that we will write the piece of code that we want to be executed if the condition is true. So after this we can see that else is there with a colon, and then after again some spaces are there, then after the piece of code. So one thing that you might have noticed that unlike C++, Java or C, we are not using curly braces over here. So this is the fact that in Python we don't use curly braces in order to group the piece of code, but we use indentations. So with the help of indentations, we can declare what are the pieces of code that comes under which. So over here you can see that inside the if statements we have given some indentations, and the piece of code which falls under it comes within the same indented areas. So this is how we segregate the code part, and this is the simple example of it. You can see there is a small logic for printing if a person can vote or not. The logic is very simple, which is if, then the condition is there that age greater than 18, then a colon, then print can vote. So this statement will get executed if the condition is true. Now if that's not the case, then it will go to the else part, which is else colon, then it will again print now this time it will print can't vote. So this is how the if else, the simple if else in Python works. So this was all about if else statement in Python. I hope you understood the concepts very well. In the next video lecture, we will be seeing what exactly is elif and how to implement it in Python. Thank you.